Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios. In this filming of my top 5 in 5 minutes, I will be sharing the 5 reasons I loved teaching elementary school art. The first reason is kids. You've got to be in elementary school teaching for the kids. They're amazing, especially if you can catch them before their inner art critic comes out and they express themselves with free abandon. Plus, you never know what funny and affirming things they'll say when they come bounding into the art classroom, such as, "It smells like art in here," or "You look like a painting." Teaching art in an elementary school is especially fun because you're not just stuck with one media. The kids and you get to play with it all. What joy of discovery when you get to play with all the things. Third, seeing projects that kids create is incredible. I'll share some pictures of their artwork. So inspiring and exciting. Speaking of the kids' artwork, it was a joy to showcase their creations on bulletin boards, school yearbooks and art walks, and district arts festivals. Special topics classes either after school or during the summer months, such as jewelry making, polymer clay, bookbinding, and photography, were also a lot of fun. The fourth reason I loved teaching elementary school art was to instill in children that they are all artists for everyone, and it's the job of an art teacher to make it welcoming, accessible, and nurturing for all. In this way, kids can learn to feel comfortable and confident expressing themselves and sharing part of themselves with others. Next, the job of an elementary art teacher takes on added meaning when you see yourself as an advocate for the arts. Through your words and actions, you can communicate to others how arts help people and society as a whole. Art fosters creativity and expands your mind through the use of your imagination and problem-solving skills. It also teaches that you can solve a problem in more than one way and that there's a visual language to communicate with. Art connects multiple disciplines together and joins community together through empathy and the study of world cultures and history. It also develops critical thinking, reflection, and self-evaluation skills. These are the top 5 reasons why I loved teaching elementary school art. I hope everyone's elementary art experience as a student or a teacher is a fun burst of creative energy and a welcome, refreshing haven.